Welcome to homework.
Chapter 16, Problem 50, Chemistry, the Central Science. So the question's asking us to write a chemical equation in the Ka expression for acid dissociation for different acids. And so they want you to write it with using H plus and then also using as a hydronium ion. So for part A, our acid is C6H5COOH, and that is going to then dissociate into C6H5COO, and then H plus, and that's going to be a minus. And so we also need to make sure we write our states on here. So they are all aqueous states. So now since we have our expression for our chemical equation, now we can write our Ka expression. And our Ka expression is always going to be our products over our products. It's always our products over our reactants. And our products are going to be the concentration of our C6H5COO minus times our H plus over our C6H5COOH concentration. All right, so that was the first part of it. And so the second part, they asked us to write it with a hydronium ion. And so to get a hydronium ion, our hydronium ion is the H3O plus. And so to do that, we have to have it with water. So therefore, we'll do C6H5COOH, aqueous, plus H2O, which is a liquid, goes to C6H5 COO minus plus H3O plus aqueous. And we will do the same thing, doing our products over reactants to write our Ka. So therefore, we'll have a C6H5COO minus times our H3O plus. And in the bottom, we'll only have our C6H5COOH because the water is not included in a Ka because it is a liquid. All right, so that's the answer for part A. Now, time to answer part B. So this time we are given a different acid. And so this time we have HCO3 minus, and we're going to write it just how we did the first one, where it just dissociates with an H plus aqueous and the CO3 minus. We know that this is happening because it's an acid, and so for an acid, we need to be able to donate that proton, and so we have an H plus, and then the CO3 minus is our equation, and then from there we can write our Ka. So Ka, once again, is our products over reactants. So we have our H plus concentration times our CO3 minus concentration all over our HCO3 minus concentration. Now, whenever we're doing our hydronium, we need to make sure we add water to it. So to do that, we're going to do the HCO3 minus plus H2O. Make sure we add our states. Goes to H3O plus and plus CO3 minus aqueous. And then we're doing the Ka the same way how we just done in the past, where we have our H3O plus times our concentration over CO3 HCO3 minus all over our HCO3 minus. And remember, our water is not included in this once again because it is a liquid and the aqueous solutions are only included.